Federation President, who also sits the FIBB Executive Vice President, Mr. Ramon Tatsuzan.
Thank you. Magandang umaga po, Atty. Cabrera. Maraming salamat po sa partnership po natin. Of course, looking up ni Chairman, PSC Chairman Gregorio, tama yung sabi niya, nagkaroon pa ako sa UP, he is one of our fans, no? sa volleyball at the time. Lagi siya nanonood because yung father ni Chairman Gregorio was also my teacher, ng lahat. So, saan matagal na. And then in 2014, the first time I brought volleyball sa Cebu, it was through Chairman Gregorio. At that time, siya ang President General Manager ng Waterfront Hotel sa Cebu. So, he's really to hotel. So, maraming salamat. Ang puso po ni Chairman Gregorio nasa volleyball matagal na. Okay. Of course, thank you, Atty. Roy. Alas Pilipinas members who are here. Ang boy next door ba? Ready na? Ang boy next door ba? Ready na? Okay. So, kung ready na ang boy next door, ready na po ang World Championship sa September. And I'd like to take this opportunity na sa partnership with LRTA, ma-promote natin maigi ang Men's World Championship. We are just 60 days before the World Championship. And sa opening po natin, we play one game against Tunisia. It's only one game. After ng one game, mag-opening ceremony na tayo with the boy next door. So yun ang pinaka-highlight ng World Championship. Never in the World Championship nagkaroon ng opening ceremony. Ngayon na nangyari yan dito sa Pilipinas. So very, very creative. So thank you LRTA, Atty. Cabrera, all the LRTA management here, of course the local organizers, our friends from the media. Philippine Sports Commission is also Chair Gregorio is also the chairman of the Interagency Task Force created by the President. Of course, Atty. Roy has been helping us a lot. And maraming salamat din sa mga media and who are here to participate itong road trip natin from Recto to Santolan. Okay? Brian Lagunas, our back doors. Thank you and magandang umaga sila.